Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to talk about this amazing hairstyling cream. This is by SACHAJUAN and it is so nice. This is very light on your hair. It's best usually to put in your damp hair after you get out of the shower. I usually just take a little bit. You don't need a lot, literally like a size of a dime. Put it all throughout your hair. It helps as you're blow drying your hair and styling your hair to coat it and give it that style that you want, and it stays nice. I find this is so great, especially if you have like staticky hair, flyaway hair, little hairs that always want to go everywhere. This keeps your hair so shiny, whether you're going to curl it, whether you're going to straighten it. I just love the look and the feel that it gives you. I don't like anything sticky or heavy or to feel any product in my hair. So that's why I find that this one is just nice and perfect. You get a gorgeous shine, your hair stays in its style all day, and you feel confident. And that's one thing that I really like about it. And that's just my point of view.